My name is Stephen Bippen. I've been with Mark Andy for almost 40 years now. Been making all of the rolls for the last 23 years. And one of the best things about Mark Andy is we support everything we've built mechanical wise for 75 plus years. And what you see here is how we maintain our roll inventory, and we're able to supply rolls to customers that maybe they have a press from the mid 90s or the mid 80s. What you see on that back wall will supply every press we've ever built for at least the last 55 years, 60 years. 2000 series, 4000 series, and the 820s and 830s. Plus it also will supply the LP, XP, first generation P series, plus the next generation P series that we have out there now. And if you need a roll, it doesn't make a difference if it was a roll that we made 2 years ago or 30 years ago. As long as it's not a special roll, we have the blanks on hand to where we could meet that demand. On a particular family back there, that one family of a generic base roll will cover 75 individual part numbers. And the only difference between those part numbers is the diameter and what style of gear. That one particular family will cover 55 plus years of the 2000 series Mark Andy presses. 2100s, 2200s, and every revision after in the 2200 line. We also stock 4000 series base rolls, 10-inch, 16-inch, and 20-inch base rolls that I still produce on a regular basis for customers. We also stock base rolls for the quick change die cut heads. So if you ever need one of those, call us.